Hello, y'all. Guess what? It's me again, and I'm back. And I just wanted to introduce you guys to Oliver. Oliver will be joining our homestead, our garden, our family. Look at Oliver, y'all. Check him out. He is black olives. Yes, and yes. So this is Oliver, a 1 gallon olive tree, and we purchased him from Lowe's yesterday, and he will gladly bring us olives for many years to come. I'm not quite sure on when Oliver will start producing for us, but I will keep you guys updated on the process of Oliver bringing us some olives, because the girl loves some olives, especially on the pizza, honey. Yes. So I'm trying to drum up ways and find ways and think of ways I can me some olives, so I don't have to purchase them anymore from the store. Look at Oliver, y'all. Isn't he just sexy? Yes. Good food olives, black olives. It's called Arbequina olive. It's called an Arbequina olive. So, yes, Oliver needs plenty of sun. So I'm going to put Oliver next to Karina right here, our lemon tree, and let them get acquainted, and she can show him the ropes of all that's to come in the garden. So y'all, here's Oliver. Just want to let y'all see Oliver. All right, y'all. Let me stop being silly. Thank y'all for coming. Share me with your family and your friends. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And until I see y'all again, for those who don't know, let me fix this. My name is SalonDivaV. And I'm glad you stopped by. And until I see you guys in the next video, me and Oliver, y'all have a good day and peace.